Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to hide the Gmail chat tab on your PC with the latest update. If you're looking to streamline your inbox and reduce distractions, this simple guide is for you. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to gmail.com. Once you're logged into your account, you'll see all your emails right at your fingertips. Next, look at the top right corner of the screen where you'll find a gear icon. This icon represents the Settings menu. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. In the drop-down, select the option that says See All Settings. This will take you to a new window where you can customize various aspects of your Gmail experience. Now navigate to the Labels section. This is where you can manage how your labels, including chats, are displayed. Scroll down until you find the Chats label. Here, you'll have the option to manage its visibility. Click on the Hide option next to the Chats label. This action will remove the chat tab from your Gmail interface, allowing you to focus solely on your emails. And that's it. You've successfully hidden the Gmail chat tab. If you ever want to bring it back, you can follow the same steps and select Show instead. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on mastering your Gmail experience.